What's up, everyone? Dev Narrator here. We're back with this is the last Emacs task, which is quitting, and the task is you have to input a command that to quit Emacs. So the symbol for reading into a file is the greater than symbol. So you know the drill. You know the drill. CD to the root directory, which is the command you can see on the screen. If you do an ls, you list the contents inside the root directory. Then you change the directory to 0x02 underscore Emacs. That's when you'll be able to get into the Emacs directory. Then for quitting, echo, let me just repeat again. Echo is an inbuilt Linux command that prints out arguments as standard output. So the command for quitting is C-X space C-C. Then you put the greater than symbol and you write the word quitting, and with this you'll be able to successfully have quit Emacs. And yeah, so this solution will pass the checker, and happy coding.